Hello students, today I am going to do a quick revision of English for Standard 12. Your English paper carries 80 marks and 20 marks of internals. Your full paper is divided into 4 parts. Section 1 prose 34 marks, Section 2 poetry 14 marks, Section 3 writing skills 16 marks and Section 4 novel 16 marks. Okay, the best part is to start with, my suggestion is to start with writing skills. If you want to score in English, you start with writing skills and you will score good amount of marks in writing skills, and then if you have done your novel, you can start with novel and then come back to prose and poetry. Okay, so section 1 prose 34 marks. The question number 1 textual comprehension, which carries 12 marks. So there are 6 questions, 2 marks each. First 3 are activity based, that you have to find from the passage, 2 marks each, all activity. So read your textbook and you'll able to do at least 1 or 2 important chapters, the cop and the anthem and all. Those chapters are important. If you do read those, it is enough. So 3 questions are activity based, 6 marks. 1 is personal response. Now don't leave the personal response question. Write anything because that is your own personal. 2 marks, so minimum at least 4 to 5 lines you have to write and you will get. Don't leave any personal response, even in English or Hindi or Marathi. Then comes grammar. Now grammar is 4 marks here. That is transformation of sentences. I will make a separate video for grammar later after this. Now in grammar, you will also get the options for, you have to choose the answers for the grammar options most of the time. But if they don't, you can do the grammar when I shoot the video. Next, again a separate question, question number 1b, which is grammar for 4 marks. Now here you get transformation of sentences 2 marks and spot the error 2 marks. So this also I'll make a video for this. So that is question number 1a, 1b. Then comes 2a. Now when you are doing question 2, when you are reading this passage, remember when you are, please underline the important lines, because that same question number 2a you have to do in 2b. That is summary. Summary of question number 2a. The same passage you have to convert into small. So just underline the important key points. Understand what the passage is all about, because you have to give a suitable title here because of this passage. So title, that will help you to get 1 mark here for the summary, and write important lines, those 5-6 lines, and you'll get 3 marks here. So again, same what 12 marks, same 12 marks, same types of question, 3 activity based that you have to search from. Now non-textual children, non-textual is an outside passage and is very easy. Those who are from English medium, no, it will be very easy for them to do the English paper, because there are other vernacular medium students like Marathi medium, Hindi medium, Urdu medium. For them the English language is a little difficult. For those who are in English medium right from beginning, for them it is scoring. So you try and score maximum in your English paper, so that helps for your percentage. Now, so non-textual is always easy. So you'll be able to do this question. Again, personal response, don't leave. Grammar, I'm making a video. Summary, as I said, same passage ka summary you have to make. You have to make a small passage. So with the title and write about 6 lines. Then comes mind mapping. Mind mapping, for example, any topic they will give. Okay. For example, preparation for your English paper. So how will you prepare your English paper? I will study grammar, prose, poetry, novel, okay, SOP, virtual message, and so on. So you have to make either square or any type, circle, whatever, and make at least 6 to 8. Okay, like this. That is called mind mapping. For example, they give types of utility. Then types of utility. Then you write that will come in the question, and then you fill the boxes. Okay, time utility, place utility, knowledge utility, service utility, so on. So that is mind mapping, which will carry 3 marks. So here we finish section 1. Then comes section 2, that is poetry. Poetry, again, total 14 marks. So there are around 8 poems. You have to go through those poems. Again, that is 10 marks. So 5 questions, 2 marks each. 2 activity based, 1 personal response. Again, don't leave any personal response. Figures of speech. I've made a simple grammar of figure of speech. Please see that video. It is very simple. You'll be able to get your 2 marks there. Complete the given lines. So when they'll give you a line, you have to use your imagination and just write anything. That is your imagination. A poet, a person can imagine anything. Okay? When you listen to songs, there's an imagination of a poet. So you also can imagine and complete that line in your way. Don't leave. Write anything what you try to make little rhyming so you can get your full marks here. Okay? So that is your poetry. Then comes poem appreciation. In poem appreciation, I have done and I have given in simple language short poem appreciation. Please learn those that you're able to get your 4 marks. I feel money is very important. You can do money. Then Indian weavers. These are the important poems that you can do. Father returning home and all. Now, most important. This question you have to do. I would always again suggest you start with this question. That is writing skills. That carries 16 marks. See the choices that they have given. In question number 4A, any one out of 3, 4 marks. So that is virtual message, SOP, statement of purpose, and group discussion. I would suggest go for virtual message. Okay, I made a video of all this. Please watch that video. You will be able to understand what you have to do. Virtual message is easy. That carries 4 marks. In 4B, again 1 out of 3. Email, report writing, and interview questions. I made a video on interview questions. Please watch that. You will be able to score there. Okay, so watch those videos and you will be able to get your marks. Then 4C, again 1 out of 3, speech writing, comparing and expansion of idea. I would suggest go for speech writing. That is very simple. Just by heart the beginning part, the ending part, only in between what is the speech about, that you have to write anything. At least the beginning, good morning principal, teachers, my dear friends. Today I am going to talk on so and so topic. And in the end, thank you and so. So starting you learn properly, end you learn properly, and write what is all the topic all about. Next is film review. Now the film review can be on anything. It can be a movie or movie review. Okay, it can be a movie review or a book review. Now in case, because sometimes in case there are the board paper comes tough and they don't give. I have given a movie review on 3 Idiots, but you can do on Bahubali, any movie review. But you also learn book review. I will give that book review also today. So you do film review or book review. In case, normally they always, so far they will ask a question, write a movie review on a recent movie you have watched. Okay, on a recent movie you have watched. Now, in case if they give a particular name of the movie, you write on this movie, then in that case you go for appeal. Okay, so I will show you how to do appeal also. But I think movie review of a recent movie you have watched is quite simple. So please do this question thoroughly. If you want to score, your writing skill has to be very well. Avoid cancellation in your writing skill. You'll be able to score 16. Now comes novel, the last question. Okay. Now question number 5A. Now there are 4 novels. So 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4. 4 questions. Each question, that 4.1 is only fill in the blank, objective question. So there is MCQ, fill in the blanks, true or false, match the columns or find the odd man out. Only these 4. So again do this, you can get 4 marks here. Do the objectives. If you have the 21 set or anything for the digest, you can do the first chapter objectives from there, at least 4 marks. If you have not learned the big answers of 4.2, 4.3, because here in 4.2 there are big answers of novel 4.2, 4.3 and 4.4 same, and the same questions are related to plot, theme, character and central idea. I have given all simple answers of 4.2, 4.3 and 4.4 of plot, theme, character and central idea. If you learn my answers, they are very simple. Hope you have understood the entire outline of the paper. I wish you all the best. If you have liked the video, please share. God bless you all.